What is the difference between vector algebra and vector calculus? Vector algebra deals with vectors in a coordinate system, while vector calculus extends this to include derivatives and integrals. How are vectors used in physics? Vectors are used to describe position, force, and momentum in physics. What is a vector in simple terms? A vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. How do you add vectors? You add the corresponding components of the vectors. What is a scalar quantity? A scalar quantity is a single number that has no direction. How do you multiply vectors? You multiply the magnitudes and add the angles between them. What is a vector in math? A vector is a mathematical object that has both magnitude and direction. How do you subtract vectors? You subtract the corresponding components of the vectors. What is a vector in physics? A vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. How do you represent vectors in 3D? You use coordinates in 3D space.